Good morning, children. Say, what did we discuss in the last class? I would like to ask you. Don't raise. First of all, mute your mic and turn off your video. All of you, please mute your mic and turn off video. Don't raise your hand. I will ask randomly. Say, Anjani. Anjani. Yes, what did we discuss in the last class? Where is Anjani?
Sir.
Anjani, speak out.
Sir, phrase and noun phrase.
Phrase,
Noun phrase.
phrase, noun phrase in apposition. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, good, good. Now say Anil Kumar. Anil Kumar. Anil Kumar. Anjali. Anil Kumar. Ammu. Ammu. Manoj. Manoj. What is meant by phrase?
Sir,
What is meant by phrase?
a phrase is a word which can allows. A phrase is a word which can allows an answer.
Can allow?
A noun.
Did you note down?
Yes, sir.
Once read it out what I told. Once read out the notes. Okay. See, some students are not following the notes properly. Follow the class and prepare notes well. Okay, every time I will ask you questions. Today we are going to discuss very simple topic, that is verb. Verb. See, commonly a verb has 4 forms. Suppose I take sing, S-I-N-G, sing, present form, singing, present participle form, sang, past form, and sung is past participle form. So here it is present form, it is present participle form, it is past form, this is past participle form. Okay, my dear friends, here this is present form, this is present participle form, that is uniform, sang past form, sung past participle form. I give you here some verbs. You have to say the verb conjugation. Do, write, walk, make, tell. Say, here I wrote, do, write, walk, make, and tell. Say, take 1 minute time and prepare verb conjugation. After 1 minute, I will ask you questions. I wrote sing, singing, sang, sung. In the same manner, you have to write do, write, walk, make, tell, all these verbs. Okay, children, now I'm going to ask you Harini,
Sir,
tell me the conjugation of do.
doing, done, doing, did, done.
Once again, tell loudly, say loudly.
Do, doing, did, done.
Do, doing,
Did, done.
very good. Keep it up, my dear.
Thank you, sir.
Can you say about the right also?
Write, writing, wrote,
Writing,
wrote,
wrote,
written.
very good. So mute your mic.
Okay, sir.
Now, Soumya. Soumya,
Yes, sir.
say the conjugation of walk.
Walk, walking, walked, walked.
Walk, walking,
Walked,
Walked.
walked. Walked.
walked.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Can you say about make?
Make, making, made, made.
Yes, make, making, made, made. Very good. Keep it up.
Thank you, sir.
Here, Khan. Khan. Bala. Bala. Say the conjugation of tell. Bala. Anil Kumar. Anil Kumar.
Sir,
Tell me the conjugation of tell.
tell, telling, told, told.
Very good answer. Keep it up.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, mute your mic, Bala and all. Mute all. Mute your mic, Bala. Okay, see this. As you said, do, doing, did, and done. Right? Writing, Please note down this conjugation. Write, writing, wrote, written, written, walk, walking, walked, and walked. Here make, making, made, made, tell, telling, told, told. Please note down this conjugation. Vijayasri, Vijayasri, Venkatareddy, Venkatareddy, Vijayasri,
Sir.
Vijayasri,
Sir.
have you noted down?
Yes, sir.
Read out what you have noted down. Read your notes out. Now you are noting down, Vijayasri. Madhurima, 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 Rishi, Rishi, Venkatnagar. So you are not noting down? Anjani? Anjani? Unmute and Ammo. Anjani, where are you? Harshita? Harshita? Gopal Krishna?
Sir.
Have you noted down?
Yes, sir.
Please read out the notes, what you have written.
Yes, sir. Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Amma?
Sir, I'm opening the book, sir. Sir, sing,
Yeah.
sing, singing, sang, sung.
Ah.
Do, doing, did, done.
Hmm.
Write, writing, wrote, written.
Yes.
Walk, walking, walked, walked.
Ah.
Make, making, made, made.
Hmm.
Tell, telling, told, told.
Okay, good. So
Okay.
mute your mic.
Okay.
See friends, here present form, present participle form, past participle forms are there, no? We use present form to express the present actions. We use present form or V1 to express the present actions. So I am writing here present actions. Okay. Here we have present participle. This present participle is used as 4 types. Basically, it is a verb. So, as a verb we use, that is the first function. As a subject we use, subject of some verb. As an object of some verb. And we use as adjective also. Adjective or determiner. Determiner. Adjective or determiner. See, we use present tense, sorry, present participle. I am very clear. We use present participle, that means that is ing form. Please observe here. Every participle, that means every present participle has ing in the end of that word. So this present participle is used as verb, that is a basic function, subject of the verb, object of the verb, adjective or determiner. These 4 are the functions of present participle. You know, past tense, we use past form to express the past actions. To express past actions. Say present form to express present action, past form to express past action. This is the function of a past form. But here, present participle has 4 functions. As a verb, it shows action. As a subject of verb, object of verb, adjective or determiner. Adjective or determiner. These 4 functions that present participle has. And we have past participle. Present participle has 4 functions, but past participle, see, we use as a verb, that is basic functioning. Secondly, we use it as a adjective or determiner. Determiner. It determines some object or some person. Okay. So these 2 are the functions of past participle. Now we are going to discuss gerund and participle. Gerund and participle. See here, this present participle we use as verb, then it is participle. We use as either subject or object, then this is called gerund. 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 Say, same word we use as either subject or object, then it is called gerund. And we use it as a determiner or adjective. For example, I give the examples for this present participle. For present participle, I give example as a verb. Say, she is singing. She is singing. See here, singing is a verb. Singing is verb. As a subject, say, I like, say, sorry, singing is her passion. Singing is her passion. See here, is verb and singing is subject of this verb. Same word, she is singing, there, verb. But here the same word is subject. And see here, the same word I can use as object. Say, she likes singing. She likes singing. She likes singing. Here likes is verb. Singing is object of this verb. Object of this verb. See another example. This is a singing bird. This is a singing bird. This is a singing bird. Here, singing is the word which determines what kind of bird it is. So it is a determiner, or we can call it adjective also. So it's a determiner. So I have taken only one word, that is singing. I have taken one word, that is singing. I use this word in 4 different ways. She is singing. Here it is a verb or action. Singing is her passion. Here singing is subject. She likes singing. Here singing is object. This is a singing bird. Here singing is determiner or adjective. See children, when this participle is used either as a subject or as an object, that is called gerund. That is called what? Gerund. I think you could understand how we use this present participle. We use this present participle in 4 ways: as a verb, as a subject, as an object, as a determiner or adjective. These are the 4 functions that we follow with the help of present participle. Now I would like to ask you some questions. First of all of you lower your hand. Everybody should lower your hand. Say Bala. Bala,
Sir,
would you like to ask me anything?
sir, actually, just I have attended, sir. Actually, having a system problem, sir. Can you please send me the recorded meeting, sir?
Okay. So you don't have any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Can I ask any question?
Sir, actually just I have attended, sir. Okay, sir. I will try, sir.
Oh, okay, afterwards I will ask you.
I will try to answer, sir.
Okay, no problem. Srikanta. Srikanta. What is your doubt?
Can you say about definition? Sir,
What? Amma.
can you say about verb,
Verb.
sir?
You want verb. Hello? Srikanta. Your voice is not clear. What do you want to know?
Sir, of
Srikanta, mute
I
your.
want.
Tell me. Ask me, what do you want? Harshita? 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 Gopal Krishna?
What is determinator, sir?
What, Harshita?
What is determiner, sir? Determiner.
What is?
Determiner, sir.
Determiner. Determiner means the term which determines some object or something else. See here, this, suppose I say this is a bird. This is a bird. So what kind of a bird? Cackling bird or some information we need to understand clearly. See here, if I say this is a singing bird, so it is very clear. Oh, it is a singing bird. All birds are not singing birds, no?
No, sir.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So here singing is the word which determines what kind of bird it is. Okay, Nana? Okay. Hello?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Why don't you respond properly?
I respond, sir. Voice is not a wedding, sir.
Yes, it determines. That's why it is a determiner. Can I give
Okay.
an example?
Yes, sir.
Yes. See here, I'm writing here stick. I don't stick. Stick means you can't understand. Some stick. What you could understand? Some stick.
Some stick.
But clearly you could not understand. If I add walking stick, if I add walking, it becomes walking stick. Now you have some clarity about what I am talking. Yes or no, Harshita?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
N. So only stick is there. There is no clarity. When some other term is there, then there is a clarity because it determines what kind of stick is. Okay.
Okay, sir.
See, one more example also I can give you.
Okay, sir.
Then you can understand well. Say, news is there. What is there?
News.
News. So, when there is only one word news, vaguely you can understand it is news. Commonly you can understand news, but what kind of news?
We don't know.
You don't know. If I give some word like this, breaking news. Breaking
News.
news. So this term determines what kind of news it is.
Yes,
Then
sir.
it is called determiner.
Determine.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Generally, in grammar, we use it or we call it an adjective also.
Okay, sir.
This determiner can also be called an
Adjective. An adjective.
Adjective. Okay, very nice. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Can you give one example? I gave more examples now. At least
Okay.
one example can I expect from your side?
Toy.
Huh?
Toy.
Well, I could not get
Toy,
your
sir.
voice.
Toy.
Toy. Okay, toy. This is a toy means anything can be toy. So what kind of toy?
Animal toy. Dog.
Animal.
Toy.
Animal toy. Okay, very good. Animal toy. So here animal is the determiner. I accept it, but we are discussing present participle now using inform usage.
Okay.
Here use this present participle as a determiner. Animal is a determiner, no doubt at all.
Okay, sir.
Can you supply with inform?
Here.
Amma? Huh?
I will
Dancing
not.
toy. Can I use the dancing toy? Yes, very good. I have
Dancing.
you. Hmm?
Singing toy.
Dancing toy. Amma?
Singing toy.
Singing toy. So like you. Okay. Any other example? Okay. Very good. Here Harika. Harika is there. Harika. Harika. Please unmute and ask me.
Sir, what is mean by gerund, sir?
What is meant by gerund?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I told you now. We use this present participle. We use this present participle as a subject and object also. As a subject and as an object. Okay. So this present participle is playing the role of noun or pronoun. This present participle, when it plays the role of noun or pronoun as a subject or object, then it is called gerund. Then it is called gerund. Say I use walking, What is the singing I use? Using walk. Can you give example?
Walking on the floor.
Walking on the floor. Say you should use walking as a noun.
Walking. Morning. Noun says.
Yes, walking as a noun, then it is called gerund. Give one example using walking.
Walking says.
Yes, walking. Walking as a subject, noun.
I was sitting there.
I was sitting there.
Yes, sir.
What I asked you, use walking and tell me one example.
I was walking.
Use walking as noun.
I was walking on the road.
That is verb, no? I was walking means their verb. I asked you as a noun. Harini? Harini Nadigatla. Can you say walking as a noun?
Walking as a noun.
Yes.
1 minute.
Say,
Sir.
yes.
Walking is Walking is Walking is the good for health.
Walking is
The good for health.
very good answer. Walking is good for health. Very nice answer. Who told this answer?
Sir,
Who told this answer? Harika or Harini?
I am sir. Harika sir.
Harika, very good answer. Walking is good for health. So here is verb. Walking is a noun. When a present participle is used as a noun, then that is called a gerund. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
Could you understand what is a gerund?
Yes, sir.
Gerund is nothing but a present participle which is used as either subject or object of the verb. Okay, Nanda?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us close this class now. And maths will be followed. In the next class, I will ask you more questions over this present participle and gerund. Have a nice day.
Good afternoon, children. I am Sachinarayana, Faculty of Mathematics.
Oh, sorry, sir. I'm done. I forgot this.
No problem. Okay, good afternoon, children. Before class, we learned about commutative closure property. Okay, property of rational numbers. We learned now. In the property of rational numbers, first property we learn. What about first property? Closure property. Closure property. In the closure property, we learned about 4 fundamental operations: addition, okay, children, subtraction, next. Just listen. Let me generate first listen. Okay, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay, before class we learned about these 4 things: closure property under addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay, children. Now closure property under addition. Okay, rational numbers satisfy closure property under addition. Rational numbers satisfy closure property under subtraction. Rational numbers satisfy closure property under multiplication. But rational numbers do not satisfy under division. Yes, before class we learned now this one. Rational numbers satisfy closed under addition, closed under subtraction, closed under multiplication, but do not satisfy closed under division. Okay, because of I wrote one point lastly. If we exclude 0 from set of rational numbers, then remaining all numbers are satisfied closure property under division. If 0 is there, it is not satisfied closure under division. Because of I said one reason. What is the reason? That one, suppose for example 2 divided by 0. Is it possible? Means it is nothing but 2 by 0 means this is not defined. You know, division by 0 is not defined. Do you understand? Suppose 0 by 2 means 0, but 2 by 0 means not defined. Because of we learned about this one in the definition. Rational numbers definition means P by Q, P comma Q belongs to Z and Q not equal to 0. Q means a denominator never be 0. Denominator never be 0. Denominator must be some constant number 1, 2, 3 negative numbers or positive number, whatever it may be. Like that. But denominator never be 0. Here 2 by 0 means not defined. Yes, that is the reason rational numbers not satisfy closed under division. Rational numbers not satisfy closed under division. But rational numbers closed under addition, rational numbers closed under subtraction, rational number closed under multiplication. But rational numbers not closed under division. Okay, before class we discussed about these four fundamental operations on closure property. Do you understand, children? Okay. Now we are going to learn about next property, commutative property. Just see children once. Commutative property. Okay, children, what about commutative property? Just look at the board once, all of you. The commutative property states that the commutative property states that the change in the order on binary operation change in the binary operation does not change the result. Does not change the result. Once look at the board, children. The commutative property states that the change in the order on binary operation, change in the order on binary operation does not change the result. Okay, children. The commutative property states that the change in the order on binary operation does not change the result. Suppose, for example, see the children. Example, we can take A comma B belongs to Q. Suppose A plus B is equal to B plus A. Whatever the order, the result must be the same. Just I will write up here. Completed this one. I will write here. A comma B belongs to Q. That is A plus B is equal to B plus A. Small example for this. Suppose 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2. Just observe here. We can change the order. A plus B is equal to B plus A. Here result does not change here. Here 2 plus 3. You can change the order. 3 plus 2. Is there any order change here? No change here. See, 2 plus 3, 5. 3 plus 2, 5. So, here LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Okay? Rishi? Hello, Rishi? Rishi, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, ma. You raise your hand now, that's why.
Yes, sir, by mistake.
Okay, ma. Do you have any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, good. Alekia?
Sir,
Alekia?
sir,
Yes, any doubt, amma?
yes, sir.
Yes, ask me, amma.
What is meant by binary operation, sir?
Binary operation on numbers, amma. Means suppose, for example, plus means addition. Yes. Minus means subtraction. Okay, Talli? This means multiplication. This means division. Okay, these are the four fundamental operations on mathematics now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, these are the four fundamental operations on mathematics. This is the binary operations.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
we can do these operations on the rational numbers. Okay, using commutative property. Means here we can change the order. A plus B is equal to B plus A. Yes, but here 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2. 2 plus 3 means 5. 3 plus 2 also 5. Yes,
Yes,
we
sir.
can change the order, but result is the same here. LHS and RHS. LHS means left hand side. RHS means right hand side. Do you understand, children? Like this. Okay, both 2 plus 3 or 3 plus 2 are same. Binary operation means these fundamental operations plus, minus, into, division. Okay, these four fundamental operations we can check about the commutative property. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank
Okay,
you.
good. Next, Srikanta. 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 Yes, any doubt, amma?
Sir,
Yes,
can
ask.
you say some more examples of addition, sir? Commutative
Yes.
property under addition.
Yes, sure. I will give another example also. Okay, ma?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. See, first, write this one once. 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2. Did you complete it to write?
Completed, sir.
Very good. Suppose
Yes,
we
sir.
can take two rational numbers means 2 by 5, comma 2 by 5, comma 6 by 15. 2 by 5, comma 6 by 15. These two are
Yes, sir.
rational numbers belongs to Q. Okay. Now I can add these two rational numbers. 2 by 5 plus 6 by 15 is equal to, you can change the order. 6 by 15 plus 2 by 5. Okay, boy? Okay,
Yes, sir.
now see here, these two denominators we can check. Here denominator 5, here denominator 15.
Different, sir.
Now, to change the like fractions, we have to find the LCM of these two denominators. Whenever two denominators, small denominator is exactly divided by big denominator means 5 table 1 time, 3 times. Now see, it can be written as 5 into 1 into 3. Again, LCM is 15. Yes, here small number, big number there now. In this case, we can take
Yes, sir.
LCM. You know this one? Write 15 here. Yes, 5 times
Yes,
how
sir.
many times? 15 3 times. 3 2 are 6. 15 15 one time only. 1 6 are 6. Now again 15 and 5 LCM is 15. 15 table one time only. 1 into 6 6. 5 table how many times divisible by 15? 3 times. Yes, 3 2 are 6. Now it can be written 6 plus 6. 12 by. Okay, I am writing here. Remaining part.
Yes, sir.
6 plus 6. 12 by 15. Here also 6 plus 6. 12 by 15. We will get the same result now.
Yes, sir.
12 by 15 is equal to 12 by 15. Here LHS is equal to RHS. Like this we can write.
Okay, sir.
Okay, ma, good. Thank you. Next, whereas yes, ask ma'am any doubt.
Because internet is not basic.
Yes, yes, whereas.
For example, you wrote some lines to say.
Whereas not visible, not audible, amma. Properly. Once again, ask me. Hello. Yes, ask me, amma.
Will you write again, sir?
Not audible properly, boy.
You wrote some lines to say. Will you write again, sir?
Boy, ask me clearly, not audible properly.
Before examples, you wrote some lines to say.
Still, do you want some more examples? Still, do you want some more examples, boy? Okay, I will give. First, write this example once. Write this example. Next one. Dinesh. Sudhir.
Sir,
Sudhir, any doubt?
sir, once explain again the commutative property.
This one, boy.
No, sir, commutative property definition, sir, once explain again.
Okay, okay. I will explain. Okay, boy. Means the change in order on binary operations, boy. Take any two numbers. Just see, boy, once. Take any two numbers. Means 2, 3 like this. We can change the order. 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2. We can change the order. Means we will get the same result now. That is the commutative property. Okay, change in order. Just we have to change the order. Okay, 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2. A plus B is equal to B plus A. Like this. Okay, boy? On 4 binary operations means 4 fundamental operations we can apply here. First we can check plus, next minus, multiple, next into division. Like that 4 operations we can satisfy, either it is satisfy or not satisfy, we can find it. Okay? Surya Venkat. Surya Venkat.
Sir,
Yes, ask me, boy, any doubt?
scenery operation means what, sir?
Amma, binary operation.
Scenery operation, sir. CINARY.
Now we are going to do on binary operations, boy. Plus, minus, into division.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, okay. Next. Dinesh.
Sir,
Yes, ask me, boy, any doubt?
order of change is only for multiplication, sir, and addition, sir.
Yes, order of changes in addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division also. Okay, after changing, see boy, after changing that whether it is satisfied or not satisfied, we can prove it.
Okay, sir.
Suppose for example, just did you completed to write this example?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next, we can write small note on this commutative property. For all, if A comma B are any two rational numbers, then A plus B is equal to B plus A. So, rational numbers satisfy commutative property under addition. Commutative property under addition. We can write like this: for all A comma B belongs to Q, that is A plus B is equal to B plus A. Okay, write this one word. Okay, write this one once. Babia, hello Babia.
Can we do reverse order, sir? Sir, can we do reverse order, sir?
Yes, someone here. Once A plus B belongs to Q, A plus B is equal to B plus A. It is reverse order, no? You can change
No,
the order.
sir. Like you tell one example, sir. Like 2/5 plus 6/15, sir. We can do
Yes,
5/2 plus 15/6, sir. Can we
yes,
do
we
like
can.
that?
Just see, Amma. 5/2 plus 3/5 is equal to 3/5 plus 5/2. We will get the same result.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
We can solve after solving this one, we will get the same result. Yes,
Okay,
both
sir.
LHS is equal to RHS. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, write down all of you this one. ಧನ್ಯವಲ್ಲಿ 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 ಧನ್ಯವಲ್ಲಿ
Sir,
yes, any doubt?
did commutative property consider as division, sir?
Once we will check them in order. First addition completed now. Next subtraction, multiplication, division. One by one we will learn it.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, after completing this, I will solve in subtraction. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, good. Sriram Naresh. Sudhir. Sudhir.
Sir,
Sudhir. Yes, ask me any doubt.
you told after addition, after what you tell, sir?
Subtraction, addition after subtraction we can take and solve
Yes, sir.
some examples.
Subtraction also we do that.
Subtraction, satisfy or not satisfy? Yes. Yes,
Reverse
boy.
order also right. Reverse order also right, no sir.
We will check once. Is it LHS and RHS equal or not? We can check it.
Yes sir. Thanks.
Okay.
Yes.
Good. Vamsi. Vamsi. Do you have any doubt? Ask me, boy. Vamsi.
Sir, by mistake it came, sir.
Yes, yes. Clearly ask me, boy. Okay, ma. Next, we are going to start subtraction. Okay, children, next. In subtraction, we can check whether it is satisfied or not satisfied. For example, we can take two rational numbers. 2 by 3, comma, 2 by 3, comma, 5 by 6 like this. 2 by 3, comma, 5 by 6 belongs to Q. These two are two rational numbers. Okay, children? Now we can take 2 by 3 minus 5 by 6 is equal to 5 by 6 minus 2 by 3. Is these fractions are like fractions or unlike fractions? Unlike fractions. These two are unlike fractions. Whenever unlike fractions in subtraction or addition, we have to change into like fractions. Here we have to write LCM of denominators 3 and 6 is 6. Before we learned when one small number and big number came, small number exactly divisible by big number, then big number can be taken as LCM. Suppose you can check once 3 table 1 time, 2 times. Now 3 into 1 into 2. Here LCM is 6. So it can be written as here LCM 6. 3 table how many times divisible by 6 here? 2 times. Here already 2 is there. 2 2 are 4 minus 6 table 1 time only. 1 5 are 5. Now see here. Here also same. LCM of 6 and 3 is 6 only. Yes, the 6 table how many time? 1 time. 1 5 are 5. 3 table 2 times. 2 2 are 4. Now we can write, see, different symbols here plus 4, this is minus 5. Whenever different symbols presented, we have to subtract, no children. 5 minus 4 minus 5 is 5 means we can subtract 4 from minus 5. Here it becomes minus 1 by 6 here. Okay, different symbols presented, we have to do the subtraction. 4 minus 5 not possible, no. So we can do 5 minus 4, 1 no. Big number in front minus symbol is there, no. So minus 1. Here 5 minus 4, 1. 1 by 6. This is minus 1 by 6. This is plus 1 by 6. Is it both are equal? No. These two are not equal. This is minus 1 by 6. This is plus 1 by 6. So we can observe here LHS. Okay, here it is not visible to write here. 1 minus 1 by 6 not equal to plus 1 by 6. Now you can write down LHS not equal to RHS. LHS not equal to RHS. LHS minus 1 by 6. RHS plus 1 by 6. These two are not equal. Okay, children? Completed to write? Yes. Bala? Bala, any doubt, amma? Bala? Yes, Bala? Bala, any doubt? Ask me. Srikanta? Srikanta, any doubt?
Sir,
Yes, Srikanta, ask me
see
any doubt?
here. LHS and RHS are not satisfied, sir.
Yes, not satisfied, no there. Both are not equal.
Why, sir?
See here. This is -1/6. This is +1/6 now.
Yes, sir.
That's right.
Okay, sir. Another doubt also, sir.
Okay, ma?
Here you said commutative property under addition, no, sir.
Yes.
Like that, the subtraction only, no, sir.
Yes, like that subtraction only. Here
We
subtraction.
can do like that.
Like that we
We
can
can
write
do like
this.
this, no, sir.
Yes,
We
like
can
this
do
only.
like this, no, sir.
Like this only.
Okay,
Just
sir.
we can write like this. Rational numbers not satisfied. Commutative under subtraction. Okay. Rational numbers not satisfied. Commutative under subtraction. Okay, boy. Now just one more example. Just see once. Suppose for example 7/6, 4/9 belongs to Q. These two are rational numbers. These two rational numbers satisfy commutative under subtraction or not, we can find. 7/6 minus 4/9 is equal to 4/9 minus 7/6. We can take. Now observe here 6 and 9 different denominators. Here 9 and 6 different denominators. Whenever different denominators presented, we have to change into same denominators, means like fractions. Okay. Here can we take 9 as LCM? No, we should not take. We have to find the LCM. LCM of denominator 6, 9. Here see, both are divisible by 3 table. 3 table, 2 times, 3 table, 3 times. Yes, now these two are co-friends. That is the reason no need of doing now division here. 3 into 2 into 3 here. 3 2 are 6, 6 3 are 18. Now LCM of 6, 9 is 18. LCM of 6, 9 is 18. Now we can write here 18 as LCM. 6 table how many times divisible here? 3 times. Now 7 is there. 3 7 are 21 minus. Here 9 table how many times divisible here? 2 times. 9 2 are 18, no, 2 times. So 2 4 are 8. At the same time, we can write 18 as denominator. Now here 9 table how many times? 2 times. 2 4 are 8 minus 6 table how many times here? 3 times. Now 3 7 are 21. Now see here. See children, 21 minus 8 is equal to how much? 21 minus 8. How much? 13/18. 13/18. Here 8 minus 21. Is it possible? So 8 is subtracted from 21. Means 13/18. But it is minus 13/18. This is plus 13/18. This is minus 13/18. So we can take it as LHS not equal to RHS. LHS not equal to RHS here. 13/18 not equal to minus 13/18. Here LHS not equal to RHS. Do you understand, children? Like this, we can take any two rational numbers and we can arrange in commutative property. Okay, 7 by 6 minus 4 by 9 is equal to 4 by 9 minus 7 by 6. Commutative property means we have to change the order now. Now it becomes 13 by 18. It becomes minus 13 by 18. So this is positive, this is negative. That's why here we can use the symbol not equal. LHS not equal to RHS. Let's write down, children, once. Srikanta. Srikanta. Srikanta.
Sir,
Yes,
why
ask.
should not we keep LHS like RHS, sir?
Here this is LHS means left hand. Suppose I stood here now like this. This is left hand side, this is right hand side. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that's why left hand
Yes,
side
sir.
not equal to right hand side. Yes. Yes, boy.
We can keep both LHS and RHS. If we keep LHS 21 minus 8, no, sir.
Yes, 21 minus 8. That is 13, amma. 13 by 18. This is minus 13 by 18.
Not that, sir.
Yes.
Here LHS minus 21 minus 21 minus 8 by 18, no, sir.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Like that only we can give the numbers in RHS, no, sir.
That is not possible, no. This is 4 by 9, no. Here see 9
Oh,
by
okay,
18
sir.
2 times, amma.
Okay, sir.
9 2
Okay.
times 2 4 are 8, no, here. That's
Yes,
why.
sir. Yes, sir.
It can be written 8 minus 21. It can be written 21 minus 8. That is different, no?
Okay, sir.
Yes, that's why LHS not equal to RHS like this.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Okay, amma. Next, Ramyasri.
Sir,
Yes, ask me, amma.
Sir, if we want to do commutative property and the subtraction means we will take different types of examples, no, sir.
Yes, many types of examples we can take.
Any example if we take, it will not equal to commutative property, yes, sir.
Yes, always it will become not equal only. Both LHS
Okay,
and
sir.
RHS always it is not equal. Okay? A minus B not equal to B minus A. Always it will become like that. That's why rational numbers not satisfy commutative under subtraction. Okay,
Yes, sir.
ma? Rational
Yes, sir.
numbers not
Thank you.
satisfy commutative under subtraction. Okay, simply did you complete to write this one?
Yes, sir.
Good. I will write one point here. If A and B are any two rational numbers, then A minus B not equal to B minus A. Like this also you can write for all A comma B belongs to Q, that is A minus B not equal to B minus A. Rational numbers. So rational numbers not satisfy commutative property. Rational numbers not satisfy commutative property under subtraction. Okay, write down children once. So rational numbers not satisfy commutative property under subtraction. Yes. Kaushika. K. Kumari Kaushika. Yes, any doubt, Amma? Hello? Kumari Kaushika. Ma Kumari Kaushika. Any doubt? Harshita. Hello, Harshita. Harshita. Harshita.
Sir,
Yes, ask me, Amma, any doubt?
give example of this for this, sir.
Example of?
This, sir, subtraction, sir.
Yes, you wrote not two examples before.
I want another example, sir.
Do you want still more examples?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will give one. See, did you complete it to write these points?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, Amma, one say.
Yes, sir.
Suppose 2 by 5, comma 3 by 7. These two are rational numbers. It can be written as 2 by 5 minus 3 by 7 is equal to 3 by 7 minus 2 by 5. We can do it. Now these two are co-prime numbers. Now 5 comma 7. LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. 5 7 is 35. Because of these two are co-primes now.
Yes,
That's
sir.
why LCM of co-prime numbers is their product. Means here 5 into 7 35. Here LCM is 35. That's why we can write here LCM 35. 5 table how many times here? 7 times.
7 times.
7 2 are 14.
7 2s are 14.
Yes, very good. Now 7 table how many times in 35?
7
5 times.
5 times.
So 5 3 are
5 3s are
15
15.
here. Now again LCM is
35.
35. Now 7 table how many times?
5 times.
5 times. So 5 3 are 3 is there in
15.
numerator?
Yes, sir. 5
15.
3s are 15.
Minus here 5 table how many times?
5. Sir, tell again, sir.
Yes.
Tell again. Tell again, sir.
7 times, good. 7 2 are
7
14.
2 14.
Now do here 14 minus 15 becomes this is small number,
One.
this is big number. Big
Yes,
number
sir.
in front of minus symbol is there.
Yes,
So
sir.
we can write minus.
Minus
15 minus 14, 1. Minus
1.
1 by
Minus 1. 30 by 35.
Here 15 minus 14,
1 by
1 by
35.
35.
35.
Here see once, is it numerator? This LHS and RHS are equal?
No, sir. LHS are
Very
RHS
good.
are not equal.
Not equal because this is minus 1 by 35, this is plus 1 by 35. So
Yes,
LHS not equal to
to RHS.
RHS. Okay, children, just take more examples and you can try at home.
Yes, sir.
Yes. take your own some examples of any two rational numbers and close up, and here addition and subtraction we can check it. Both LHS and RHS equal or not.
Sir,
LHS and RHS are equal or not, we can check for addition and subtraction also.
sir, all sums we can get not equal, sir. All sums we can do means all sums will get RHS and LHS not equal, sir.
Yes, whenever subtraction we can do, always it will become LHS not equal to RHS.
RHS. Okay, sir.
Okay, good.
Thanks.
Bala. Bala. Bala.
Hello, sir.
Yes, ask me about.
Sir, actually, I have missed the class, sir. Can you please send me the recorded meeting, sir?
Once again, ask me, boy. Slowly you can ask.
Sir, actually, I have missed the class, sir, during to network problem Wi-Fi. Can you please send me recorded meeting, sir?
Recording that is here not possible, amma.
Actually, I have missed.
Okay, boy. Later I will explain about all these things once again.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, ma. Okay, welcome. Okay, suppose if it is possible to do the recording, after taking recording, chairman sir will send all messages for all the children, those who did not follow these classes.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I will talk to chairman sir and will give the response for you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, ma. Welcome. Okay, do at home, but take more examples and try to do at home.
Okay, sir.
Okay, good. Children, next class we will meet again. Thank you.